Hey guys, so today this is my first ever video, and today I'm going to be testing out a slime kit. I'm going to be testing the Nickelodeon slime white glue. We're going to use the white glue because I used all my clear glue. And we're going to see if they turn out the same. This is from my clear glue. I put too much red in here so it doesn't look very clear. I put like the whole bottle of red, and this is how it turns out. It's very stretchy and nice and all. Alright, so what you're going to need is a bowl. You can tell I already used this. A mixing spoon. You can already tell I used that too. You're going to need some white Nickelodeon slime glue. Some activator. If you want to color it, get some paint. And also, you will need a cup of water, room temperature. If I sound weird, I'm sick, so. Oh, and Merry Late Christmas to all of you. And I hope you had a very nice Christmas. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is a wonderful woman that's joining me today. So, let's get straight on into the video. Alright, so first, what you're gonna need is glue. So first, what you wanna do is just pour in your glue. If you wanna make it pretty and perfect, just measure it. No. I'm not making mine pretty and perfect. If you do, I would recommend the measuring cup. Don't even show it. You already made it disgusting.
Yeah, I'm just not gonna use the measuring cup. Okay, can I pour some glue? Can I pour some glue on mine?
I'm stopping at a certain level when the whole bottom is full. Sorry. I got some on her hand.
Okay.
So then you're going to need to add a little bit of water to make it nice. Oh, I dropped
My
you.
water? Or should I just...
That won't happen again. No. Stop trying to put your lid in the water. Now mix it. Now first, what you want to do before mixing...
That it turns into slime.
First, if you want to add color, we're adding some color. What are you going to add?
I'm gonna add the same color as you did.
Nope.
Why?
You can't add the same color, so I'm not...
Okay, blue.
Blue?
Yeah.
She's going to do blue. I'm going to do purple.
Okay, now how are we gonna get these things? Like, did you really keep the slime on there?
Apparently, it's already turning into slime for some reason. I didn't even add an activator. Somehow it's already turning into slime, and guys, this is not clickbait. Right?
Yeah.
How is this possible? Oh, there might have been leftover activator in the cup.
Yeah.
Oh, it's still sticky, so we're gonna need to add our activator. Sorry for the weird face, I just had to do it. Oh, sorry. So at first it might feel like it's not, it's rubber. It feels like rubber. Squishy, squishy rubber.
You guys have to try this. It's really good. Yeah.
It does come with 2 bowls, but I threw
She
mine
threw
out.
it out because it was only her and she didn't know that I would do it.
Yeah, I did.
Why'd you throw it out?
Because there was too much glue and slime rubber stuff in it. Well, mine was a fail. I think it's because I added more activator to it. Oh, God.
Fail.
It's not my favorite slime, but
Like,
I'm
we'll
going to
go.
test mine again just because of how bad and rubbery it turned out. Thanks a lot.
What?
You just knocked my bowl down. So, just put it right here. That's all you got to do. So this is how my slime turned out. It's not very good. So I'm going to try to make it again. And I'm not going to add any paint to it because the paint is actually kind of activating it a little bit because of a chemical, I guess, that's in there. So I'm going to use this part of the mixing stick. Alright, so I'm going to add a little more paint.
What?
You added too much paint. How much did you add?
What?
You used the whole thing.
There's still some in there.
Yeah, I know, but you used the whole thing. Did you use it to activate it?
No.
I think it made a toot.
I think
Dang,
it had
it's already almost 7 minutes in. Oh God, my. Sorry, told you I'm sick. Yes, there's glitter in my water for no reason. I don't even know for what reason.
I just can't.
Did you put activator in the water?
No. Even when it fell, it splattered.
How is that? Seriously, guys, this isn't clickbait. How is this possible?
Fluid activator on my thing worked.
I only put glue and water in it, though.
Really?
Okay, it looked like it was coming together, which it is. But believe me, it's way too sticky. Will you please add some activator to mine? Jesus Christ. Please put it. Help me. Put it. I didn't even get any on it. Okay, it's good. Alright, it's coming off my fingers a little better. What? It's fine if somebody's coming. They're not going to yell at us.
Oh, do you remember this one's going to
We're actually going to upload this. Are you crazy? Alright, so sorry about the silence. Our slimes are turning out terrible. Well, at least mine is. She used all my glue.
The blue was kind of activator.
Did you use the paint to activate that?
No, I said the blue was kind of activator.
Alright, so here's my white slime. It's pretty good. It's not as good as the clear one. I mean, it's pretty good. It's not that really... Never mind. It's actually pretty decent slime. It's pretty nice. I would recommend it. I would recommend buying the Nickelodeon slime kit.
I'm going to make this.
This is my slime from the clear. And this is my slime from today.
And this is my slime.
Alright, and thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.